Hi, I'm Dan Armstrong, a manufacturing technician with CADDIS Systems. CADDIS devices require stable network connectivity to function properly. So step one is to working with your IT department to ensure there is a wireless coverage where each CADDIS device will be installed. If this is not available, you can contact CADDIS Support for other connectivity options. Step two, mounting. Locate where the device will be installed. Typically, this is either in or on an equipment cabinet. CADDIS devices come pre-installed with a DIN rail mount. Step 3, power. CADDIS devices require a clean, stable power to function properly. Ensure that the 24-volt DC power is available and make sure this power is properly grounded. Step 4, signal. Locate a 24-volt DC or 120-volt AC signal from the equipment you are installing the device onto. Make sure that this signal is indicative of whether the equipment is running or down. If the signal is other than a 24-volt DC or 120-volt AC, a relay or signal conditioner will be needed to install in between the equipment output and the CADDIS device input. By following these 4 easy steps, you are now ready to connect the CADDIS device to the equipment you are wanting to monitor.